Okay, so we have been trying to solve this problem for a very long period of time, right? So if you're a fan of this channel, if you have been watching our videos for a long period of time, you probably know that we create a lot of custom tools like position size calculators, margin calculators, a lot of custom indicators, and a lot of things that we create to make our trading easier, right? And almost all of these tools I share them for free with the fans of this channel. But the problem is, most of the time in the comments we get comments like, where do I get this? Like someone might watch a video like a month after it was created, right? And probably the link that we have used to share is probably hidden somewhere in the Telegram channel and they can't find it, right? So we always get people saying, I can't find this tool, I can't find this. And we have tried to solve that problem, and I can tell you that we have finally solved the problem, right? The other problem that we had was a lot of people were coming to Telegram, create a channel, and then pretend to be trading with Tan and pretend to be me, and right, and they will get a lot of people joining thinking that it is me that is in the group admin of those Telegram channels, right? And this would lead to people like being scammed and other things like that. So we've been trying for a long period of time to solve this problem, and finally I can say that we have finally solved the problem, because recently we have managed to get our team to build a mentorship platform, right? This is a free mentorship platform for trading with Tan. So we are going to go away from WhatsApp, Telegram, and any other platform that you probably are going to get a lot of people, but you are going to get into this platform 100% free. Let me show you what you are going to get in this platform. To get into this platform, I will leave a link in the description below. Now, this is a platform. All you have to do is you come up and you sign up to this platform, and you are going to get in for free. First of all, if you are a beginner trader, the first thing that you are going to see if you join this platform is you are going to see a free course that you are going to go through. If you click on this free course right here, you are going to see step by step, we are going to teach you what Forex trading is all about, how do traders make money, and how do you calculate your profits and losses and other things like that. And then we are also going to teach you how to read market structure, areas of value and strategies, and build your own strategies. We are also going to teach you how to manage your risk and also how to master your emotions in the market. All of this is 100% free, by the way. And then also we have a section here which says free tools. This is where we put all the free tools that we have been creating. First of all, you are going to get a journal, right? The journal is where you are going to put all your trades that you have placed, right? So let's say you have placed the trade and you want to log it right here so that you can later on see your performance. You can come here and then you can log in, you can log a new trade right here, put all the information right here, and then you can commit this to journal, right? You are also going to get a session clock which is going to tell you in your current time zone where what time zone are you in and where is the overlap during these time zones. We are also going to get a correlation to a position size calculator, a pip value calculator, a drawdown recovery calculator. So here you are trying to see how much drawdown do you need, how much profits do you need to recover your drawdowns, right? You're going to get also a lot of free tools that we have created. For example, we have the momentum scanner, we have the account protector EA, we have the CRT Pro indicator. I'm going to do a video right now after this to show you how this CRT indicator works. This is an indicator that you can use CRT automatically so that you can just look at it and place your trades, right? So almost all of the things that you are going to get this here are going to be free. Also, we are going to have active setups, right? And the most important part of this platform is we have a section which is called live signals, right? The live signals is where we are going to be sending you all the signals that we see, right? So right now we currently send this signal. You can see the signal will come with the entry, with the stop loss, with the take profit, and also the analysis of why we are placing that signal or why we are placing that trade, right? All of this in one platform, and this platform is completely free to join. So if you want to join this platform right now, I will leave a link in the description. So the first 100 people that are going to join here are going to join 100% for free. So make sure you go ahead and join this, and you are going to get into the courses and learn what you need to do and get all the tools that you might want. Now from now on, we are going to also keep adding to this platform. So everything that we are going to create, whether we create a custom indicator, we create an EA, we create anything that we are going to create, we are going to put it in this platform so that you are now safe. You are not going to see us on Telegram, WhatsApp, or if you see anyone who is going to be on that platform claiming to be us, then you know that it is not true. This is our official platform from now on. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.